Kirsten and Clyde, about to make an adventure to the island. Let's go. Oh, a car! What are we going to do?
Are we gonna make it? Look at my hands.
Let's go, 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 go! Oh my god! Oh my god! We're almost there. Make it! Make it! And now,
Why are we running?
because we're on an adventure. Now, you go first. It's going to the island. It's going up. Did you make it? Now it's my turn. I'm coming, Chloe. I have to pee, but I'm coming. Hi. My neighbors think I'm crazy.
My teeth are from sweat.
Take it.
My hands are too big.
Oh, faster. I made it.
Now we're at the top of the hill, see?
Hard work, some sweat, and some tears.
That's that house. That's Cassie's house.
We made it. Oh no, now we're stranded.
Michael Prokos' house. Kirsten's house.
I'm gonna push you!
You're sliding down. Don't even try to push me, I'll kill you. My gloves are too big.
Oh crap.